The production of bananas in Africa is not just a profession, but a fascinating journey where each banana carries the story of meticulous care, patience, and a deep love for the land. Have you ever wondered how those sweet, golden bananas make their way to consumers in perfect condition? The process of growing and harvesting bananas in Africa is full of surprising details that few people know about. It all begins with bananas not being grown from seeds like most other plants. Instead, farmers use suckers, young shoots that grow from the base of a mature banana plant. This special method helps bananas grow stronger and more stable in the harsh conditions of Africa. But this process is not simple, as from the very start, banana plants face a major challenge: weeds. These weeds quickly grow, competing with the bananas for water and nutrients, forcing farmers to constantly monitor and care for the plants to ensure they have enough space and resources to thrive. Can you imagine the patience and meticulous effort required to protect the banana plants from these rivals? Furthermore, bananas are incredibly water dependent, so modern irrigation systems are used to ensure the plants get enough water to grow. This is especially important in dry regions where water is limited. But that's not all. Another interesting aspect is that African farmers are firmly against using chemical pesticides. They believe that for bananas to be delicious, clean, and safe, they must be grown and cared for in the most natural way possible. This requires continuous monitoring to detect any signs of pests and treat them naturally, protecting both human health and the surrounding environment. However, when the bananas are ripe and ready to be harvested, that's when the real challenge begins. Bananas are delicate fruits, easily bruised or contaminated by bacteria, so harvesting must be done with extreme care. Workers use sharp knives or machetes to cut the entire bunch of bananas, which can weigh up to 40 kilograms. Can you imagine? These heavy bunches are harvested by hand, with a team of skilled workers ensuring that no bananas are damaged. And that's still not all. After harvesting, the bananas must be transported carefully to avoid bruising or breaking. Each banana is protected to the maximum during its journey from the farm to the processing or consumption stage. Once the bananas have been carefully protected throughout the harvesting and transportation process, they are delivered to consumers in the best possible condition. The bananas are not only eaten fresh, they are also turned into famous snacks like banana chips. With their natural sweetness and delightful crunch, banana chips have become a favorite snack not only in Africa, but around the world. And when you enjoy a bite of crispy banana chips, just remember that behind each golden bite is a long process full of effort, from careful planting to meticulous harvesting and processing. So, the next time you hold a fresh banana or a bag of crispy banana chips, can you imagine all the hard work, patience, and love for the craft that African farmers have invested in? Each banana is not just a delicious snack but the result of a carefully orchestrated process of care, protection, and respect for nature. And behind it all is a story about a deep connection to the land and the tireless dedication of people making the world sweeter, one banana at a time. Bananas destined for chips are carefully harvested while still green, ensuring they are firm enough to endure the processing they will undergo. This crucial step ensures that the final product maintains the right texture, crunchy and satisfying. Once the bananas reach the factory, they are unloaded and thoroughly inspected to check their quality. After this, the bananas are placed into a pool of water to wash away any dirt, residues, or contaminants that may have accumulated during their journey. This cleaning process is not only necessary to make sure the bananas are hygienic and safe to consume, but it also helps cool them down after their long trip to the factory, which might have been quite taxing on the fruit. It's fascinating to note that bananas are not only valuable for their delicious fruit. Almost every part of the banana plant has a use in one way or another. In many parts of the world, banana leaves serve as natural plates or wrappers for cooking and serving food. These sturdy, waterproof leaves are a perfect eco-friendly alternative to plastic, and they also infuse the dishes they wrap with a subtle, earthy flavor that many people find delicious. This versatility of the banana plant shows just how valuable it is beyond its fruit alone. Back at the factory, the bananas are carefully sprayed with a disinfectant to ensure they remain fresh and intact during the next stages of production. This is a vital step, as the bananas will go through a long process before they are ready to be made into chips. After being disinfected, the bananas make their way straight to the banana chips production line, where the magic truly begins. Here, the bananas are peeled and sliced, then fried and turned into the crispy snack loved by millions of people around the world. In the factory, workers remove the bananas from their stems to make the processing easier and faster. Conveyor belts are a huge asset in this step, as they help move the bananas smoothly through the factory while allowing workers to access them with ease. The speed of the conveyor belt is carefully regulated to ensure that every worker can manage their share of the bananas without feeling rushed. If any bananas remain unpeeled at one workstation, they are quickly passed along to the next worker, ensuring that no time is wasted and that the bananas are processed efficiently. After peeling, the bananas are cut into slices, and the inner flesh of the banana is gathered. This sliced banana pulp is then sent for a quick bath in water to cleanse and prepare them for the drying stage. Once they've been cleaned and are free from any remaining dirt, the bananas are dried out, allowing them to be stored for future use. This drying process is essential, as it helps to reduce the moisture content, ensuring that the final product has the right texture when frying. The dry bananas are now ready for the next step, frying. The bananas are now ready to be sliced into chips, but the thickness of each slice plays a crucial role in determining the final texture of the product. Thin slices will produce the crispy, crunchy chips we're familiar with, while thicker slices result in a chewier texture. The workers are highly skilled in ensuring that each banana is sliced to the correct thickness. They know exactly how long each batch of banana slices must be fried to achieve the ideal texture, crispy on the outside, yet with just the right amount of chewiness on the inside. It's a delicate balance, but the workers have honed this skill through experience and repetition. Once fried, the banana chips are set aside to cool and are carefully dried to remove any excess oil. This drying process is key to achieving that signature crispiness that makes banana chips so irresistible. Only after this step are the chips ready for packaging and distribution. The process ensures that every single chip is perfectly crispy, crunchy, and ready to be enjoyed. But the journey of these bananas doesn't end there. From the moment they are harvested to the moment they reach your snack bag, each banana goes through a series of carefully controlled steps. The work of each person involved, whether it's washing, peeling, slicing, or frying, ensures that the final product is something you can enjoy at any time, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. The result is the world's #1 snack, a crunchy, delicious treat that brings a taste of the tropics to everyone, no matter where they are. In the end, the production of banana chips is more than just a manufacturing process. It's a finely tuned operation that requires skill, care, and attention to detail at every stage. Whether you're savoring the crisp crunch of a banana chip or enjoying the chewiness of a thicker slice, you're experiencing the culmination of years of expertise, dedication, and a deep respect for the fruit itself. This process shows just how much goes into creating a snack that's not only tasty but also a perfect example of how nature, innovation, and hard work can come together to create something truly special. Strawberries. There's something undeniably special about these ruby red gems. They truly hit differently, don't they? Whether you enjoy them fresh, picked straight from the vine, or indulge in them as part of a delicious dessert, strawberries have a way of elevating any dish they're in. From the classic strawberry shortcake that's adored by many to decadent tarts, creamy cheesecakes, and flavorful jams or sauces, strawberries make everything taste better. The best part, they can easily complement almost every cuisine, adding a vibrant pop of color and sweetness to savory and sweet dishes alike. What's even better is that strawberries come with a list of health benefits that's just as sweet as the fruit itself. Known for their natural sweetness, strawberries don't require extra sugar to make them delicious, making them a perfect treat for those trying to reduce their sugar intake. Their natural sugars offer a much healthier alternative to the added sugars found in many processed snacks. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, strawberries provide a refreshing way to fuel your body. Eating these bright red berries not only satisfies your sweet cravings, it also hydrates you. The best part? You can indulge in them without feeling guilty since they're free from the sneaky added sugars that sneak into many packaged snacks and treats. Now, let's talk about the journey these delicious berries take from farm to table. It might surprise you to learn that harvesting strawberries isn't as simple as sending in machines to pick them. Unlike other fruits that ripen all at once, strawberries mature at different times. This means that careful attention is needed to ensure only the ripest berries are harvested. While machines may be able to help with some tasks, the delicate nature of strawberries means humans are typically chosen for the job. But hold on, enter the future of strawberry picking. A new, cutting-edge fruit-picking robot has revolutionized the process by navigating the strawberry fields and selecting only the perfectly ripe berries. This robotic technology allows for greater efficiency, precision, and a more sustainable approach to harvesting, proving that robots can do what was once thought to be the work of humans. The secret behind those flawless, fresh strawberries lies in the careful and precise picking process. Because strawberries ripen at different rates, it's important to have the right people or technology in place to pick them at the optimal moment. The fruit-picking robots can now assess which strawberries are ripe and ready for harvest while leaving others to continue ripening. MCC. This unique blend of human expertise and robotic innovation ensures that only the best strawberries are selected, ensuring they reach your table in perfect condition. It's amazing to think how this blend of tradition and innovation is changing the future of farming. Doctors and nutritionists are constantly raving about the benefits of fresh fruit, and strawberries are no exception. These berries provide natural sugars that offer an instant boost of energy without the harmful effects of processed sugars. They're rich in antioxidants, which support your immune system, and the fiber content promotes healthy digestion. So, every time you enjoy a handful of fresh strawberries, you're doing more than just satisfying your taste buds. You're nourishing your body with the nutrients it craves. Once the strawberries are harvested, the real magic begins in the factory. This is where the farm-fresh berries are turned into the delicious products we love. The first step in this process is giving the strawberries a good wash. Since they've just been picked, they may carry dirt and other residues from the farm, so cleaning them thoroughly is crucial to ensure they're safe to consume. This washing process is not only about hygiene, but it's also necessary for maintaining the quality of the fruit throughout the rest of the production stages. Once cleaned, the strawberries are ready for a new level of precision and technology. They are passed through an automated system where advanced robotics are used to remove any imperfections such as holes, bruises, or blemishes. This unique, high-tech process ensures that only the highest quality strawberries make it through the production line. With the help of robotic technology, the strawberries are handled delicately, ensuring that every berry is perfect before it moves on to the next stage, whether that's being packaged fresh or processed into something else entirely, like jams, tarts, or even frozen desserts. But there's still more to come. The berries are sorted, sliced, and packaged in ways that preserve their freshness and flavor. MCC Hunthi are carefully prepared for their final destination, whether that's straight to grocery store shelves for you to enjoy fresh, or transformed into delicious products like strawberry jam, jelly, or sauces. Every step in the process is done with care and precision to ensure that the strawberries retain their flavor, nutrition, and texture. These small yet mighty berries don't just make amazing desserts and snacks. They are carefully crafted into products that bring joy to people all over the world. As you watch this process unfold, you'll see how every detail is handled with expertise and dedication. The technology in place not only ensures efficiency, but also shows the incredible innovation taking place in agriculture today. Robotics and automation are helping to shape the future of farming, making it more sustainable and efficient while maintaining the high-quality standards we've come to expect. This combination of tradition, precision, and technology is what makes strawberries so special, and why we can enjoy them in so many delicious ways. MCC Han. From farm to factory, and finally to your plate, the journey of a strawberry is one of innovation, care, and dedication. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in a tart, or as part of a decadent cheesecake, each strawberry is a product of thoughtful cultivation, harvesting, and processing. So, the next time you bite into a juicy, sweet strawberry, remember the incredible journey it has taken to reach you, from the farm to your table, and how it has been carefully crafted every step of the way to deliver the perfect burst of flavor in every bite.